will we be okay?
Yes, sir.
One day I can feel the sun shining. Next day a bullet can leave a mama crying. Will she be okay?
Lord have mercy.
Tell me, will we be okay?
Truth is,
Life is taking everything that I have just to survive.
can I testify?
I got $25 in my pocket, and I think another 10 in my glove compartment. I'm trying so bad not to cry, but it's hard to stop it. But you say, oh love, I need you.